Here we have a Vivo Y16, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification and an antivirus from this phone. So if you see something like that on your phone in the notification section, you definitely have a notification virus, and you can try to remove it without any antivirus app by opening the app info of your web browser. To open it, just hold your finger on the odd icon. Now go to the app info and choose storage and cache. Now clear the storage and tab on clear data. Now all of your unsaved info will be deleted, so be careful. Now you can clear the web browser by clicking OK. If that way doesn't work for you, you can try to download some antivirus app from the Google Store. You will find a lot of it here, but remember to choose the trusted company. I will show you it on the Avast. So we have to open it, click here to get started, next, and skip. Now go to continue with free and continue as free. Now tap on start scan and give all any permissions. Now go back and choose the type of your scan. Now Avast will look for any virus on your phone and delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, be safe and goodbye.